Alright guys, end of day market overview is back in your life. Friday today we got a lot to talk about. We had quite a lot of adjustments to mostly to the cryptocurrency portfolio, but also in the forex space just as well. But I'm going to start off with the cryptocurrency market. We actually got stopped out. We had a bullish position on the Bitcoin and we got stopped out. We closed out Monero yesterday. We felt unsafe. And we closed it out with on the break even. No loss, no profit. But here we did get stopped out by a pretty strong downside move, which we've seen all across the board. Having said that, even though we are out from the Bitcoin, we noticed some really interesting new opportunities coming from other leading coins. And I'm going to go through all of these opportunities, right? First of all, let's start with the actual positions that we decided to establish. The first one was the Cardano. Right, one of the videos today, the main video on cryptocurrency market, was on the Cardano. Go ahead, check that out. I hope we were able to catch that very last stretch here on the downside, spiking that 32.88 level. Pulled the trigger immediately, and now we're going to chase price action all the way up to 39.74. A second position that we established was on the Avalanche. Also, the code here is AVX. We noticed the price that the market was hitting strong support levels in general, and also more specifically here, we noticed price action taking the previous low. We felt comfortable enough to pull the trigger, and we did with $50,000 position. Now we're all eyes are on 21.38 as the primary target, with a secondary target at 18.23. Then the third position we established was on the AVE. This one also going all the way to the edge of the system, taking the previous low by a tiny margin, mind you, but also spiking that bottom support 75 level. We noticed that spike starting to form, and as price action was getting back inside of the range, we pulled the trigger on $50,000 position. Now it's a waiting game. We want to see price action actually turning around before we get more aggressive. Here we're chasing 88.2, the next big resistance level, with a secondary target at 81.2. The next candidate is the Cosmos. Here, the Cosmos, we want to see price action. You see, looks like this one is lagging behind, right? Because it's still outside of the range and below 12, the bottom support. But I have a feeling it's closing in on that level and is going to base itself back inside by the end of the day, and that's going to be our cue to step in. So keep in mind all of those three new positions and a pending trading opportunity on the Cosmos. All right, I'm going to switch to the forex market quickly. Very interesting situation here, guys. We talked about the pound Canadian in the main video today, right? The way we flipped over a few days ago. You already know that. Three trades we were able to establish so far. Pricing is coming up a little bit today, but I hope 62.78 is gonna hold its ground as a resistance level, and eventually price action will cave in and continue to drill downwards. Second position is pound Aussie. We're already up to 10K here, two trades. It's looking good so far on the turnaround, but still early stages. Let's give it some more time. But at the end of the day, again, the target's not too far away. 75.88, we're out. Hopefully, we'll get there sooner than later. Last but not least, Aussie Japanese yen, which we pulled the trigger, which we established yesterday, right? Another bullish campaign, a quick one, short-term. Short-term perspective, short-term system with a short-term target, 92.77. It's obviously still struggling, breaking out and crossing over at 92.18, which is an obstacle, but I have a feeling it might be successful today. So let's keep a close eye on this one, because once it begins to cross over and we feel confident enough that it's a legit breakout, then the plan is to double up, throw in the second trade, and just ride on it all the way to the target. So that's pretty much what we are. 3 active positions, Forex market. 4, wait a minute, was it 4 or 3? No, 3. 3 and 3. 3 active positions, Forex market, 3 active positions, cryptocurrency market. And with both, we have an extra candidate for the 4th position with both markets. Right here it's the Cosmos, the Forex market is the New Zealand Canadian. That's about that for the day. Hope you enjoyed it, this session today, guys. I wish you a nice weekend. We're going to be back on Monday as usual. Take care.